Welcome to Islamkot, a town in the Thar Desert. Nestled in the heart of the Thar Desert, Islamkot is a unique blend of tradition and modernity. This small town with its rich history and vibrant culture offers a glimpse into the life of those who have adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. Islamkot is a town in Pakistan. It is a place where the old meets the new, where traditional ways of life coexist with modern advancements. The town is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. It is located in the Tharparkar district of Sindh province. This district is known for its diverse culture and history, with influences from various civilizations that have passed through the region over the centuries. This region is famous for its vast desert. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a sprawling expanse of sand dunes and arid land. It is a place of stark beauty, where the landscape changes with the shifting sands and the play of light and shadow. The Thar Desert is one of the largest deserts in the world. Covering an area of over 200,000 square kilometers, it stretches across both Pakistan and India, creating a natural border between the two countries. The desert is home to a variety of flora and fauna, adapted to the harsh conditions. It stretches across both Pakistan and India. The desert has been a witness to the history and culture of the region, with ancient trade routes passing through it and nomadic tribes calling it home for centuries. Islamkot is a small town, but it is an important one. Despite its size, it plays a crucial role in the region's economy and culture. The town is a hub for trade and commerce, connecting the remote desert areas with the rest of the country. It is a center for trade and transportation. The bustling markets of Islamkot are filled with goods from all over the region, and the town's roads are busy with trucks and vehicles transporting these goods to other parts of the country. It is also home to the Thar Coal Project, which is bringing new jobs and opportunities to the region. This ambitious project aims to harness the vast coal reserves of the Thar Desert, providing a much-needed boost to the local economy and creating employment for thousands of people. The people of Islamkot are known for their hospitality. Visitors to the town are often struck by the warmth and friendliness of the locals, who are always ready to welcome strangers with open arms. They are also very resilient. Living in the harsh conditions of the desert requires a great deal of strength and determination, and the people of Islamkot have these qualities in abundance. They have learned to live in harmony with the harsh desert environment. Over the centuries, they have developed traditional methods and practices that help them survive and thrive in this challenging landscape. The town has a rich culture and history. From vibrant festivals to ancient landmarks, Islamkot is a place where the past is always present, and the traditions of the ancestors are kept alive by the current generation. There are many interesting places to visit in and around Islamkot. The town is a treasure trove of historical and cultural sites, each with its own story to tell. These include the ancient ruins of Aror, the Choti Masjid, and the Thar Museum. Each of these sites offers a unique glimpse into the history and culture of the region, from the ancient civilizations that once thrived here to the more recent Islamic heritage. Islamkot is a fascinating place to visit. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or simply the beauty of the desert landscape, there is something here for everyone. It is a town that is on the cusp of change. With new developments and projects underway, Islamkot is poised to become an even more important center in the region. The Thar Coal Project is expected to have a major impact on the town and its people. This project is not just about economic development. It is also about improving the quality of life for the residents of Islamkot, providing them with new opportunities and a brighter future. It is a place where the past and the present meet. In Islamkot, you can see the ancient and the modern side by side, creating a unique and fascinating blend of old and new. It is a place of great beauty and great challenges. The stunning landscapes of the Thar Desert are a sight to behold, but they also present significant challenges to those who live here. Yet, the people of Islamkot have shown that with resilience and ingenuity, it is possible to thrive even in the most difficult conditions. The climate of Islamkot, living with the sun. Islamkot experiences a hot desert climate. This is typical of the Thar Desert region. Summers in Islamkot are extremely hot and dry. Temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. The heat is relentless, beating down from the sun. The nights offer little respite, with temperatures remaining high. The air is dry and humidity is very low. This makes the heat even more intense. Rainfall in Islamkot is scarce and unpredictable. The annual rainfall averages less than 250 millimeters or 10 inches. It mostly falls during the monsoon season, from July to September. However, some years see almost no rain at all. The people of Islamkot have adapted to this harsh climate. They wear loose-fitting, light-colored clothing. This helps to reflect the sun's rays and stay cool. They also use traditional methods to keep their homes cool. Thick mud walls provide insulation from the heat. Small windows and courtyards help to create air circulation. Greening the desert new life in Islamkot. Despite the challenges posed by the desert, the people of Islamkot are working to improve their environment. This region, known for its harsh climate and arid conditions, has long been a place where survival is a daily struggle. The relentless sun and scarce water resources make it difficult for vegetation to thrive. However, the resilient community of Islamkot has decided to take matters into their own hands. The people of Islamkot are working to improve their environment. They have come together, united by a common goal, to transform their surroundings. Through collective effort and determination, they are making significant strides in combating the effects of desertification. They have launched several initiatives to combat desertification and promote greenery. These initiatives are not just about planting trees. They are about creating a sustainable future for the generations to come. The community understands that their efforts today will have a lasting impact on the environment and their quality of life. One notable project is the Bashir Ansari Green Park. This park is more than just a recreational area. It is a symbol of hope and resilience. It represents the community's commitment to creating a greener, healthier environment for everyone. This park is a testament to the community's commitment to environmental sustainability. It stands as a beacon of what can be achieved when people come together with a shared vision. The park is a place where families can gather, children can play, and everyone can enjoy the beauty of nature. Spread over acres, the park features a variety of trees, plants, and flowers. Each plant has been carefully selected to thrive in the desert environment, providing not only beauty but also ecological benefits. The diversity of plant life in the park helps to support a wide range of wildlife, creating a balanced and healthy ecosystem. It provides a welcome green space for residents to enjoy and escape the heat. In a place where temperatures can soar, the park offers a cool, shaded retreat. It is a place where people can relax, unwind, and connect with nature. The park also serves as an important habitat for birds and other wildlife. The trees and plants provide shelter and food for a variety of species, helping to support biodiversity in the region. The presence of wildlife in the park is a testament to the success of the community's greening efforts. The Thar Million Tree Project is another ambitious undertaking. This project aims to transform the desert landscape by planting 1 million trees. It is a monumental task, but the community is determined to see it through. This initiative aims to plant 1 million trees across the Thar Desert. The project focuses on planting native tree species that are well suited to the harsh desert conditions. These trees are not only resilient, but also play a crucial role in improving the environment. The project involves planting native tree species that are drought-resistant and can thrive in the harsh conditions. These trees are carefully chosen for their ability to survive with minimal water and their potential to provide long-term benefits to the ecosystem. These trees help to prevent soil erosion, improve air quality, and provide shade. By stabilizing the soil, they reduce the risk of desertification and create a more hospitable environment for other plants and animals. The shade they provide also helps to cool the air, making the area more comfortable for residents. The greening efforts in Islamkot are already showing positive results. The once barren landscape is now dotted with green spaces, providing a stark contrast to the surrounding desert. These green areas are a source of pride for the community and a testament to their hard work and dedication. The presence of more trees and vegetation helps to cool the air and reduce dust storms. The trees act as natural barriers, trapping dust and preventing it from spreading. This not only improves air quality, but also makes the environment more pleasant for residents. It also helps to recharge groundwater levels. The roots of the trees help to retain water in the soil, allowing it to seep down and replenish underground aquifers. This is crucial in a region where water is scarce and every drop counts. These initiatives are vital for the long-term sustainability of the region. They represent a proactive approach to environmental conservation and a commitment to creating a better future. The people of Islamkot have shown that with determination and collective effort, it is possible to transform even the harshest environments into thriving green spaces. A place of shared faith, the Santananuram Ashram. Nestled in the heart of the Thar Desert, this ashram is not just a religious site, but a beacon of unity and harmony. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of tolerance and mutual respect that defines the region. Islamkot is known for its cultural and religious harmony. This small town, surrounded by the vast expanse of the desert, is a melting pot of diverse traditions and beliefs. Here, people from different communities live side by side, sharing their lives and their faiths. The Sant Nanuram ashram, located near the town, is a testament to this spirit of tolerance and coexistence. The ashram is not just a place of worship, but a sanctuary where people from all walks of life come together. It is a place where the lines between different faiths blur, and the common thread of humanity shines through. Sant Nanuram was a revered Hindu saint who preached a message of peace, love, and unity. His teachings transcended religious boundaries, resonating with people from all faiths. He believed in the power of love and compassion to bring people together, and his legacy continues to inspire generations. He lived in the 19th century and is highly respected by both Hindus and Muslims in the region. His life and teachings are a source of inspiration for many, and his message of unity and peace is more relevant today than ever before. The ashram serves as a place of pilgrimage for people of both faiths. It is a place where devotees come to seek solace and spiritual guidance. The ashram's serene environment provides a perfect setting for reflection and prayer, allowing visitors to connect with their inner selves and with each other. Every year during the Sant Nanuram Mela festival, thousands of devotees gather at the ashram to pay homage to the saint. The festival is a time of joy and celebration, bringing together people from different backgrounds in a spirit of unity and camaraderie. The festival is a colorful and vibrant celebration of the region's syncretic culture. It features a variety of cultural performances, including music, dance, and drama, showcasing the rich heritage of the region. The festival is a testament to the enduring spirit of unity and harmony that defines the region. Muslims participate alongside Hindus in the festivities. This interfaith participation is a reflection of the deep respect and understanding that exists between the different communities in Islamkot. It is a powerful reminder that despite our differences, we are all part of the same human family. They share meals, sing devotional songs, and offer prayers together. These shared experiences foster a sense of community and belonging, breaking down barriers and building bridges of understanding and respect. The Sant Nanuram ashram stands as a symbol of interfaith harmony. It is a place where people from different faiths come together to celebrate their shared values and common humanity. The ashram's inclusive atmosphere fosters a sense of unity and mutual respect, making it a beacon of hope in a world often divided by religious differences. It showcases the respect and understanding that exists between different religious communities in Islamkot. The ashram is a living example of how people from diverse backgrounds can come together in a spirit of harmony and cooperation. It is a place where differences are celebrated and commonalities are cherished. It is a reminder that people from different backgrounds can live together peacefully and celebrate their shared values. The Sant Nanuram ashram is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of hope, unity, and the enduring power of love and compassion to bring people together.